Hello Taylor, this is Omari with Jimmy Britt Chevrolet. I'm going to do a walk around video of the 2017 GMC Canyon. I just picked one in particular. We have a few, so I just picked out one. I'm going to do a quick walk around for you. As you can see the front of it, because you didn't really specify anyone in specific. I'm going to show you the side, the tires. This is the all-terrain package that I'm sending you. Get the tires and an all-terrain package. I'll show you the back. I'll show you inside the cabin. Inside the bed. GM side. I'll show you on this side. I'll walk back around. Show you inside the cabin. Look at the all-terrain sign. Nice red stitching. So I'm going to show you the front. Get the nice stitching in the front. Again, this is Omari coming live to you from Jimmy Britt Chevrolet. My number is 706-453-2500. I'll be sending this out to you in a video. Then I'll be giving you, I already sent you a text and an email with my contact information. Look forward to speaking with you. Thank you.